These are the coolest gadgets that will surprise you right now. Gadgets are the man's best friend. In fact, they are everyone's best friend. In this video, we will talk about the coolest gadgets that you can get your hands on, so let's jump right in. But before we continue further, I will request you to subscribe to the channel. First up is Ring Always Cam Home. This is the flying guardian that your home or office needs. It is also the most sci-fi home security device you can think of, and also the most pervasive one since it can get surveillance of each room in your home. The added advantage is that you can look at the video feed of your home when you are out at work. The camera has a 120-degree field of view and can capture all details very clearly. If lights are not turned on, the Cam Home can turn on its LED to illuminate the area. The Ring Always Cam Home can work with ring alarm sensors. If something unexpected happens, then the camera will automatically raise the alarm. In short, the camera is a huge force multiplier for home security. The next one in this list is Grabo Pro Lifter 2.0. This gadget will help you lift some heavy materials such as wood, marble, glass, or other such material. Lifting these materials can be extremely dangerous to hands and fingers. This device will, in fact, make life easier for everyone. The gadget has a very ergonomic design, which can help you hold objects which weigh around 375 pounds. The Grabo Pro Lifter comes with a suction pump, which creates a vacuum pump. The suction depends on the material which we are carrying, and the device can also show the pressure and the overall weight. With Grabo Pro Lifter 2.0, you can kiss injuries goodbye. Pixel App Controlled Cable is the next gadget we will discuss. This is a cable which is customizable with animation or text. The cable also comes with an OLED screen. The cable is extremely sturdy and will show you the charging status as well as if the device supports fast charging or not. Once the charging is complete, the cable will let you know through a unique notification and sound, which can be further customized. Next up is the Soba Newman speaker. This speaker is unique in the sense because it allows you to see music. The device can be put up near any Bluetooth speaker, laptop, or any other device. The speaker has a ferrofluid which reacts to the type of beat plated on the speaker. The entire device can display the dancing ferrofluid for 12 straight hours. After that, you will need to power up the battery. The speaker is made from bamboo, which means that it will go with most interior accents. The next gadget can help you big time if you are camping outdoors. We are talking about the Suncase solar lighter, which can help save you from the embarrassment of setting up fires in outdoors. The solar lighter is a pocket-sized fire source, which can light up any given materials in under 2 seconds and does not require any gas or electricity to function. This makes it a blessing for the environment too. The Suncase solar lighter can work in any type of weather condition, including windy and rainy. Capstone Smart Mirror is the next gadget on our list. Everything is becoming smarter these days. Mirrors are the next hottest thing in this context. Smart mirrors are very common, but there is nothing quite like Capstone Smart Mirror, which has its own unique touchscreen technology. The device comes with a time and weather app and lets you check your emails on the go too. Through the Capstone Smart Mirror, you can also stream videos directly from YouTube's application, and you can watch these makeup tutorials and apply makeup at the same time. Super crafty, isn't it? You can also listen to your favorite musician at the same time. Working with a Capstone Smart Mirror is a breeze. You can mirror your phone's content on the mirror and then keep watching next videos by pressing the button given on the mirror. The next gadget is going to be a huge hit for our beloved lazy loungers. We are talking about the revolutionary snacking tool, Snacktive Snacking Tool. It appears this device looks like a paper chopstick, but instead of ordinary sticks, these stick to your hands. The device comes with a stretchy and comfortable index and middle finger. This gives you the opportunity to work or write or play and enjoy your favorite snacks at the same time. The sticks themselves are rock solid, which allows you to grab the snack before you devour it. This is also the best way of sharing your favorite snacks with your friends without getting your hands dirty. When you are done with eating, you can put the sticks away. The tool itself looks very attractive and comes in black and white and can also be packed away in an additional case. The last gadget on this list is the Sisyphus sand table. This table gives you peaceful desert vibes without encountering the rough conditions which deserts have. No one wants to die of dehydration while appreciating the beauty of how the majestic dunes dance under the summer sun. The table itself is very robust and comes with a tempered glass. The table comes with a rolling ball, which gives the sands a unique pattern. Additionally, you can have any LED lighting pattern to give the entire table a unique look. This is a must-have for any fancy drawing room. Hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up and thank you for watching till the end.